Oh, Ruby Roo, thank goodness! Mr. Polar Bear is stuck outside in a terrible blizzard, and my snowmobile is broken!
Oh, biscuits! We're on our way! Set the scene, Eugene! We'll use our flying blanket and get Mr. Polar Bear back in no time.
Oh dear, that wind sure is strong.
Oh, fudge pops. We'll have to try something else.
That one gave me ice burn.
There has to be something we're not seeing.
Well, we better find something soon. The chocolate frost is starting to pick up.
Huh? Princess, what does this do? Oh!
Oh my! I heard legends of crystal tunnels, but I thought they were just a myth.
Oh, sweet sugar! Let's go! There he is!
Thank you for getting me out of there.
We're just glad you're okay.
Quickly, back into the tunnels. The chocolate frost is picking up.
What a great adventure, Eugene. Until tomorrow night. Time for bed.
I hope there's ice cream sandwiches tomorrow.
Ruby Roo! We need you!
Mr. Polar Bear needs our help! Set the scene, Eugene!
It's a disaster. Well, not really a disaster. It's a blessing.
Huh?
Oh, please help us. We've had so many baby polar bears this year, and we're so happy about it. But there isn't enough room in the old schoolhouse for all of them. And the new term starts tomorrow.
We'll just have to build a new school then. Ruby Roo's Construction Company at your service.
But all we have here are ice cream trees, and they melt in the spring.
I know just the place. Follow me.
I don't have to climb a ladder, do I? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
I know you can. Oh, thank you. Now we have enough space, and it's much safer. The kids can't hurt themselves against balloon walls.
Anytime. Problems can always be solved with a little bit of teamwork. What a great adventure, Eugene. Until tomorrow night. Time for bed.
I hope there aren't any balloons tomorrow.
What's wrong, Mr. Monkey?
It's the coldest winter the jungle has ever seen, and my poor babies are freezing their little tails off. Howler monkeys need warmth.
Great gumdrops! We won't let your babies freeze, Mr. Monkey. Set the scene, Eugene!
My wool is warm. Hop in, kiddos.
Great idea, Eugene. That will give Mr. Monkey and I time to find ways to heat up this home. First thing we have to do is plug up some of these holes. Sweet sugar! All done! Much better, don't you think?
It is better, but the children are still cold.
Gotta get them feeling like toasty marshmallows.
Now this is what I call toasty.
Huh?
It's from the princess.
Wow, sweet mint chips! Thanks, princess!
Is there any ice cream?
What a great adventure, Eugene! Until tomorrow night. Time for bed.
I hope there's ice cream tomorrow. Yes. For you. Yes, I think this will work. Ruby.
All ready for a bedtime story. Oh, what is it, Eugene?
Ruby, thank goodness. This letter came for you.
It's from the princess. She says there's an emergency and that we should come as quickly as possible. That's strange. Why didn't she just come tell us that herself?
Maybe something happened to her.
Oh, cupcakes! We better go! Set the scene, Eugene! I don't see any trouble here. It's actually rather quiet.
Maybe too quiet.
Look, Eugene! Footprints! They have to lead somewhere. Huh? Biscuits! What could this mean?
Something smells fishy, and it's not the balloon fish.
We need to get to the ice castle to see if there are any clues. For the princess! Yeah!
Oh!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Ruby Roo!
Sweet sugar! What's all this?
Eugene wanted to throw a surprise party for you, and we all thought it would be the perfect way to thank you for all your help this year. You're our hero, Ruby!
Aw, cupcakes, Eugene! You rascal!
Oh, you deserve it, Ruby Roo. Now, let's have that cake. And cupcakes.
What a great party, Eugene! Until tomorrow night. Time for bed.
I hope there's more cupcakes tomorrow. And more Ruby Roo.